There are some things that we as humans just don't understand. And so my dad, in hopes to help us understand the world, he gave us 3 universal truths: work hard in school, ask questions, and become a doctor. Those were 3 more rules for me. And so I hated being restricted, so I was gonna do everything I wanted to do. I tried everything: horseback riding, scuba diving, and music. And then I found out I liked science, but I didn't really like the theoretical end of it, and my mom, who's a scientist, encouraged me to try Arduino. So in May 2015, I built my first project, and then started building bigger projects and getting kits and going to courses, and it was super exciting. And then high school came, and I had structure, and I got a pretty big growth spurt.
My name is Santiago Gonzalez, I'm 14 and I love to program.
No, I didn't dream in Arduino code, and no, I wasn't a prodigy, but in high school I had the opportunity to become the prodigy I was destined to be.
We await your instruction, Master.
All you have to lose is our respect.
Seriously, how bad can it be? Very bad! Very, very bad! Okay.
And so I enrolled in a program called Science Research, where we got the opportunity to pursue projects that we wanted to build within the realm of research. And then I started doing really serious work. I learned how to use a 3D printer, how to build PCBs, and eventually I came up with projects that took me to competitions like Intel ISEF, where I got to meet amazing people. And so one device drove my curiosity and personal development. So as I'm sitting here, it's so amazing to reflect on my journey, starting out with building such simple projects and now being able to build crazy things and share that on my YouTube channel. And seriously, from the bottom of my heart, thank you all for subscribing to the channel, watching the videos, and supporting me, leaving suggestions in the comments, giving me tips in the comments. Your criticism helps me so much make content that actually feels meaningful to me and hopefully feels meaningful to you. And if you guys watched till the end of this video, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you very soon. Peace.